Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can filter your tasks on ClickUp by completed or closed status to view them. So let us get started right away, guys. So let's assume you have completed already a bunch of tasks in your workspace here on ClickUp. So to view these, simply head over to your workspace, select it in the top left corner, and let me go, for example, that task space here I created for demonstration purposes. So after that, head over to your list of tasks, like that one, for example, that to-do list. So inside the to-do list, guys, what you will need to do is simply apply a filter or simply click on closed here to quickly show all completed or closed tasks. And that is going to show you all tasks that have already been completed. For example, you may select tasks or subtasks. And you may also, guys, apply custom filters by clicking on filter here and select, for example, or filter by date closed, and select the date you would like to apply here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.